When it comes to increasing your home's value, few upgrades deliver the immediate visual impact and long-term return of new windows and doors. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to invest wisely in your property, working with a trusted local expert makes all the difference. Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors helps homeowners enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and boost overall property value with high-quality products and professional installation. Here's how upgrading your windows and doors can directly benefit your home, and why choosing the right team matters. Boosting curb appeal that attracts buyers' first impressions are everything in real estate. Windows and doors are among the first features people notice when approaching a home. Old, faded, or damaged frames can make even a well-maintained house look outdated. On the other hand, sleek, modern windows and a beautiful new entry door instantly elevate the appearance of your exterior. Richland Hills Window Replacement Doors offers a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes to complement any architectural design. From contemporary black-framed windows to classic wood-grain entry doors, the right choices can transform your home's look. Improved curb appeal doesn't just make your home more enjoyable to live in, it also increases perceived value, which can translate into higher offers if you decide to sell. Increasing energy efficiency. Today's homebuyers are more energy conscious than ever. Drafty windows and poorly sealed doors can significantly increase heating and cooling costs, making your home less attractive on the market. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors helps regulate indoor temperatures year-round. Modern products often feature advanced insulation, multiple panes of glass, and low emissivity, low-E coatings that reduce heat transfer. This means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, lowering utility bills and improving overall comfort. Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors helps homeowners select energy-efficient options that are designed to perform in the local climate. Lower monthly energy costs and improved sustainability are strong selling points that can raise your home's market value and appeal. Enhancing security and peace of mind. Home value isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about safety. Outdated windows and doors may have worn locks, weak frames, or single-pane glass that's easier to break. Modern replacements are designed with enhanced security features such as reinforced frames, advanced locking systems, and impact-resistant glass. Upgrading these critical entry points can make your home more secure and appealing to potential buyers. A safe home is a valuable home, and peace of mind is something every homeowner appreciates. Reducing maintenance costs. Older wood windows and doors often require regular scraping, painting, and sealing to prevent rot and damage. Over time, these maintenance demands can become costly and time-consuming. Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors offers durable materials like vinyl and fiberglass that resist warping, cracking, and fading. These low-maintenance options maintain their appearance and performance for years with minimal upkeep. Reduced maintenance not only saves you money but also makes your property more attractive to buyers who prefer move-in-ready homes. Improving natural light and interior comfort. Natural light is one of the most desirable features in any home. Replacing outdated windows with larger or more strategically placed models can brighten your living spaces and make rooms feel more open and inviting. In addition, properly installed windows and doors eliminate drafts and cold spots, creating a more consistent indoor temperature. A comfortable, well-lit home leaves a lasting impression on visitors and potential buyers alike. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the highest quality windows and doors won't deliver full value if they're poorly installed. Precise measurements, proper sealing, and expert craftsmanship are essential to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors focuses on professional installation and customer satisfaction from start to finish. Their team works closely with homeowners to understand goals, recommend the best products, and complete installations efficiently and cleanly. This attention to detail protects your investment and ensures you get the maximum return. A smart investment in your home's future window and door replacement is more than a cosmetic upgrade. it's a strategic investment. By enhancing curb appeal, increasing energy efficiency, improving security, and reducing maintenance, Richland Hill's window replacement and doors helps homeowners strengthen their property's value today and for years to come. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful, comfortable home, upgrading your windows and doors is a decision that pays off in both lifestyle and long-term equity.